Hi, Ralph here. A program that will allow you to live a financial independent life without limits. Just imagine the following: being able to do what you want when you want to do it, living a life on your own terms, being able to travel all over the world, being able to buy nice things for yourself and for your loved ones whenever you want, and not worrying about the price, creating income when needed, and having time to spend it. So when you apply this to your life, you can be your own boss, having freedom, security, and most importantly, peace of mind. Money worries will be something of the past. The bottom line, you will spend more time doing what you love with the people you love. But serious effort on your part is required to succeed. I got started with this program that worked for me through everything from start to finish. I left a link for that for you to check it out. And also make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the bell to turn on the notification. Thank you.